ह्या वर्सा भोगुया फुडल्या वर्साच्यान हे चलपाचे ना म्हण चापोली धरणाचे इन्स्पेक्शन करूंक गेल्लो काणकोणचो आमदार इजिदोर उलयलो। चापोली धरणार खंय उदक आसा मात तांचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सारके ना, मशिनरी सामकी पेड्ड्यार जाल्या, उदक पंप करपाक सुद्धा कटकटी। फुडल्या वर्साच्यान खंय हे त्रास जावचे ना।
It is mismanagement for last 9 years from the part of PW water supply. They did not go deep into it because they just went through of supplying water through tankers. And look, but they never expected so much problem that they will face only when I came. People now are become sensitive and they are more interested that work should be done. So that is the reason I called total irrigation officers, water supply officers, and found out the exact position over here. Here there's a lot of water for next 6 months. Next 6 months, for the full Kankona, the water is enough. But the only thing, the infrastructure of water supply department is not up to the mark. The water cannot be pumped out because of the total machinery which is required to pump out the water is become very old. But they have prepared the estimate. The PWD water supply department has prepared the estimate. Approval is taken, financial approval is taken, tender also work, but only the contractor has to take the job. So I am going to meet him personally to see that work starts fast, so that next year Kankona people will not suffer for the drop of water. The Government Dam irrigation side, it is 99% ready, 99%. Now water supply department has to take over and do the plant of supplying water there. I have not gone through the Department of Water Supply, what they have done, but I will go and inquire. But irrigation side, that dam is ready. Acid don't yellow, then I can say ki file ready asa mon. Only thing we have to send it to Delhi mon, because money comes from Delhi. So I will go and inquire at what stage that file is. But most probably it will take another 1 year to 2 years for water supply from Government Dam.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक।